Hello everyone, I am Fiona. This is a EPS CNC hot wire cutting machine that we export, mainly used to cut EPS insert blocks for construction. Before the machine is exported, we carry out a testing run with EPS blocks. Now let's take a look at the whole process. The specific steps are as follows. 1. Design. First, design the drawings of the products to be cut. In CAD software, engineers can create specific drawings or designs and determine the shape, size, and cutting path. 2. Cutting parameter setting. Open the designed drawing on the software of the CNC cutting machine and set the cutting speed according to the requirements. 3. Material fixation. Because during the trial run, the size of the foam we cut is smaller, so we need to put heavy objects on the work platform to ensure that the material will not shift during the cutting process to maintain stability. 4. Start the CNC cutting machine and start the cutting operation. During the cutting process, the machine will automatically control the cutting according to the preset program. 5. Inspection and adjustment. After the cutting is completed, it is usually necessary to inspect the cut insert block parts to ensure that the shape, size, and accuracy meet the design requirements. Through the above steps, the entire process of CNC cutting is completed. This automated cutting method has the characteristics of high efficiency, accuracy, and good repeatability, and is widely used in the EPS foam industry. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.